Want to earn money by promoting AliExpress products? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to aliexpress.com using any browser. Step 2. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. You'll find a link that says Affiliate Program. Click it. Step 3. Once you're on the affiliate page, click Register at the top right corner. Step 4. Enter your email address and create a password to sign up. You can also use an existing AliExpress account if you already have one. Step 5. Next, you'll need to complete your basic information. This includes payee name, contact email, your website or social media platform where you plan to promote AliExpress links. Step 6. Once everything's filled out, click Submit. That's it. You're now ready to start earning with the AliExpress affiliate program. And that's how easy it is to get started as an AliExpress affiliate. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!